Hello everybody and welcome to this YouTube channel, and it's me Sandesh, and today in this video we're gonna talk about Nmap. So you might wonder what is actually Nmap, what the hell is that Nmap? So it's quite simple. Nmap is a kind of network scanning tool that is it is a heart of ethical hacking or pen testing, and without knowing Nmap or without doing scanning you cannot do anything. Okay, so it is quite essential. And what Nmap can do, and Nmap can do pretty much just like it can scan upon the any network and scan upon the device connected to that same network if you are connected with one network, and if you want to scan upon the clients connected to your same network, then Nmap can do it can fetch out the version and operating system that these guys are using. So in conclusion, you can conclude that Nmap is quite essential. So we will just head over to its tutorial. So I will just start the terminal here. Okay, I hope you can see, and I will shift myself to Bash terminal. And firstly, if you want to know many things about Nmap, you can do man Nmap, and you will have description of each and every options available with Nmap, and you can see. But we are not gonna talk about this in this video, and I will just in this video is for beginners too. So, and on the other hand, you can do Nmap. Oh, sorry, and hyphen sorry. Oh, what the hell is happening? Okay, you can see more options, and I would like to say something that don't scan it upon any devices. Okay, and you can scan upon scanme.nmap.org, or you can create it on a vulnerable device so that you can scan it. So right now I have Metasploitable 2, which is highly vulnerable. So I'll just start my VMware out there, and here is our Metasploitable 2. Okay, let it get started, and it will not take much time, but we'll just carry on. Here you have the option that Control plus G will lock the mouse, and look, I can use the mouse, and Control and Alt will unlock the mouse, and while locking the mouse you can use keyboard, but while locking the keyboard you can use mouse. Okay, and password, login password, and user ID is msfadmin. Okay, then I will do ifconfig here. Here we have our IP address, so I will press Ctrl Alt so that I can unlock my mouse. And here we have our IP address, that 192.168.199.128. So firstly, I will clear the screen, and firstly, in order to scan upon the any network, use the network or any IP address or any domain name. You can just do Nmap, and you can specify the IP address or anything that you want to scan. So right now I'm going to scan upon 192.168.199 probably, and it could be probably 128 or 138. I have just forgotten. Okay, I'll just have a look here. No offense. Okay, there we have, and it have done scanning within 0.7 seconds. It is quite faster, and you can see it has started unmapping, and and this is the result of that unmap. And here you can see 977 ports are closed, and you can see port number 21, it is of TCP is open, and port number 22, it is of also TCP, and it have service of SSH port number 21, and you can see last TCP port, which is the port number 80, and it is also open. So we can say that the machine is highly vulnerable. And on the other hand, we have a different kind of scan, like Udp Scan, Sync Scan, Tcp Scan. Okay, and I will tell you about that, no problem. So I'll just clear my screen, and I'll go through it one by one. Firstly, we are gonna see how we can perform Udp Scan. So I hope you guys already know about Udp and TCP. So I will be not discussing about these topics in this video. So I'll just do Nmap and -s. This will do Udp Scan. That -s means scan upon Udp. You can remember like that, and specify the IP address 192.1. I just forget the IP address, so you can just scan upon Udp here. Okay. Oh, sorry, because root privilege. So you can just do sudo upon here, and it will scan upon the network. And one more thing that I would like to tell you, that it is going to take more minute in Udp Scan. If you are doing only alone Udp Scan here, it will going to take more minute. And when I just started doing scanning with Nmap, it took around 20 minutes, not exactly 20 minutes, but 18 to 19 minutes. That's when it is round up, it was 20 minutes. So as you can see, it will take more time, and you can see how much part of your work have been completed by just pressing enter, and you can see only 5.29% have been completed, and I think it is going to take more time. So I'll just pause the video for now. So guys, here we have our scanning completed, and as you can see, it took 1075.76 seconds, and it is quite more, and it is how it's result. And it have, as it had already done Udp Scan, you can see port which have Udp open, that are shown here, and port which have Udp open, and its number is 53. It is open, and it have service of domain, and you can gather much more information like that. So let's see how. Okay, here we have our Metasploitable active. So now we are gonna do Tcp Scan. I'm just gonna add TCP out there, and look, TCP scan was much more faster, isn't it? It took only 0.12 seconds, and you can see it shows that 977 ports are closed and all the remaining 23 are open, and this is how its result look like. You can see port number 80, which is of HTTP, it have TCP protocol, and it is open, and it is highly vulnerable, and anyone can do attack into it. So now, what if the firewall blocks you from scanning? In this case, sync scan is applied, and it is not the complete scan, but it will provide the much more information that you will need. So this this scan equals sync scan. So we just need to add s with that hyphen s. Okay, and just press enter. And you can see it has provided the complete scan, just like TCP scan provided. You can see TCP had also provided shown that 977 ports are closed, and in this case too, we clearly see that 977 ports are closed, and you can see the open ports and login ports, which is a port number 513 with the TCP protocol and CL1. You can see. Okay. Now, if you want to know which operating system is that your victim using, then just add O with that, and it will start scanning, and it is also not going to take much more time. And you can see along with operating system scanning, it have done other scanning as well, and we are not gonna see that. And we can see its MAC address is in this way, and it's running Linux 2.6.x, and Metasploitable is also a Linux based kernel system. And you can see network distance 1 of, and OS detection performance, you can see that. But if you want to know the version of which HTTP version is there and many more just like that, and you just need to add hyphen s and v there. Just press enter. You can see it will also not gonna take more time, but the 47% have been completed till now. And okay, here is it, and you can see it is showing the version of FTP, which is 4.3.4, and you can see TCP Linux telnet, and you can see OpenSSH is 4.7.1. And one more thing, that if the victim is using old version, and it means that device is highly vulnerable, because in every newer version you can also guess that the bugs have been fixed, and chance of attacking will be less. So in every older version there will be highly vulnerable. So I hope you got the point. So I'll just clear the screen, and this was our previous attack. Then I have another attack which is very informative. We have aggressive scan that will denoted by hyphen A, and it will scan and provide us much more detail and more important detail about this IP address. You can press enter and see how much of your part have been completed, and look, 86 have been completed, and it is not gonna take more time. So just wait until that, and you can see. Okay, here we have our aggressive scan. So okay, you can see what's the script result and about that, and you can see much more detail about this. So I'm not going to talk about this right now, but on this you can conclude that the aggressive scan provided the many details about the targeted IP address. And another one is if you want to specify the port to scan, then you can just do p and specify the port number. Let's say we want to scan from port number 2200. So you can see it has shown the ports available with this number 2200. You can see 21 port number, which is FTP 22 at SSH, 23 telnet, and 80 HTTP, and you can see the result by yourself. And you can even do this as well, 65535, which is the last number of port available, and it is also okay. You can see host is up, and you can see the port number 21, which is of FTP, and now you can see that port number 37975, which is unknown, it has not shown. So I hope you guys know about the Nmap. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and okay, with this I would like to end this video. So take care, bye.